everyone, today our group proud to present a project that is close to my heart, Light World, created by our team Galaxy Particle. This isn't just a game, it is a response to a quiet but important problem that affects many young people today. Now I want to share our teamwork. This project was a true collaboration. Every members of our team brought something unique, from coding and interface design to video editing and project management. I want to introduce our first member, UAT, which is our project manager and website developer. The second member is Lee Peijun, which is our website developer and the product manager. The third member is me, JI-063, which is product manager and the video editor. The fourth member is Wong Xuanxing, which is product manager and video editor. The last member is Li Kaixing, which is our interface designer and the website developer.
In today's fast-paced world, formal education often focuses on abstract concepts like math formulas, historical dates, and scientific theories. But what about the names of herbs we cook with, the vegetables we eat, or the materials being used to build our homes? These are things we encounter every day, yet many teenagers struggle to name them in English. That's a gap Light World aims to bridge. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever walked through a garden and seen a beautiful flower but had no idea what it's called in English? Or maybe you have helped out with a home renovation and couldn't name the tiles or tools being used. These moments might seem small, but they reveal a bigger issue: a lack of basic practical life knowledge, especially in everyday English vocabulary.
Next is our mission and goal. Our goal is simple but powerful: to create an engaging, accessible resource that helps teenagers learn and retain essential everyday vocabulary in English. We want to make learning feel like exploration, not memorization. Through Light World, users can discover the names of flower, vegetable, building material, and more, all while having fun.
For our methodology, we approach this project with a clear structure. First is research. We studied what knowledge is missing and why it matters. Second, empowerment. We design tools that help teenagers feel confident and capable. Third, quizzes. We build interactive challenges to reinforce learning. Fourth, multipurpose tools. We included games, a personal construction universe, and vocabulary models that make learning dynamic and enjoyable. Each element is designed to transform passive learning into active discovery. Why we create a game? Because games are powerful. They engage, motivate, and reward progress. Light World uses cartoon visuals, interactive mechanics, and real-world logic to make vocabulary strict. Players don't just memorize, they experience the words in context, making them part of their everyday thinking.
For coding, we use Cursor to build our website. Cursor is an AI app that can help us to generate the code. We describe what we need and giving instruction to Cursor to let the Cursor understand what we need and generate the code for us.
As we wrap up, let's take a quick look at how Light World stands out from other educational games. While both Light World and the ESL game aim to teach English vocabulary, our approach is deeper and more immersive. Light World offers over 200 quizzes that challenge players to learn and apply knowledge in a meaningful way. But we didn't stop here. We add a personal inventory system where players can collect wood, stone, and food, making the learning experience feel like a real adventure. In contrast, the ESL game uses the mini-games for learning but lacks that sense of personal progression. There's no backpack, no resource collection, just gameplay without continuity. With Light World, we're not just teaching words, we are building a world where learning feels like living. Besides, in Light World, the players can experience the planting process. For example, the players can plant vegetables in the plant plot. The players can choose which vegetable to plant, and planting will consume one vegetable seed from their inventory. The grow time is 10 minutes. Once mature, the vegetable can be plucked and put into their inventory, and can be consumed by both the player and their pets to restore the hunger value. In contrast, the players of ESL game don't have the chance to experience planting. In addition, for the Light World, they will have shop system compared to ESL game, which don't have the shop system. In the end, Light World isn't just a school project. It can be a tool for change, which is a way to help young people feel more connected to the world around them. That's the world we are building. That's Light World. Thank you.